Welcome. If you've been wondering how to change your name on Telegram, whether you just got married, want a fresh start, or simply need an update, this quick guide will show you exactly how to do it in just a few taps. Let's jump right in. First, open the Telegram app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into the account where you want to make the change. Once you're on the main chat screen, look at the top left corner. You'll see 3 lines, also known as the menu icon. Tap on those 3 lines to open your Telegram menu. In this menu, you'll find different options like settings, contacts, and more. Tap on the one that says My Profile. This section gives you access to your basic account details such as your name, phone number, and profile picture. Now, at the top corner of your profile screen, you'll see a small edit icon. Go ahead and tap it. This is where the magic happens. You'll now be able to edit your first and last name directly. Type in your new name exactly how you want it to appear to your contacts. You can use your real name, a nickname, or even add emojis if you like a personal touch. Once you've entered your new first and last name, check it carefully to make sure it looks right. Next, confirm your changes. Telegram instantly updates your name across all your chats and groups, so everyone you interact with will see your new display name right away. There's no need to restart the app or wait for any approval. It's that quick. And that's it. You've successfully changed your name on Telegram. It's a simple update that helps you keep your profile current and personalized. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tips that keep your apps and devices working just the way you like them.